It's okay.
Kingdom, Animalia,
Phylum,
Chordata,
Subphylum?
Craniata.
Craniana.
And for phylum?
Vertebrata.
Superclass. Class.
Nathostomata. Yeah. Class is Avis. Avis.
Order.
This one is
Finding
the
cocaine.
Columbiformes.
Good.
Formies?
Columbiformes.
Columbiformes.
Where's the crop?
Right here.
What was in there?
Seeds.
Seeds. Lots of seeds.
Okay. Can you show me the esophagus, please?
Right here.
Well, that's a good esophagus. No.
No?
Not the hard one. What's the hard thing
No.
in your neck? It's not the esophagus.
Esophagus is a soft one.
It's soft.
So is
This
this
is
the
the
esophagus?
vertebral
No, that's
column.
trachea. Esophagus is next to the
Vertebral,
spine.
vertebral column, esophagus. This?
So
Trachea.
it should be on the near side of it.
Oh, this?
Yes. Yes, there you go. No, she's on it. She's on it.
This.
She's got it.
Oh, okay.
Trachea?
Oh, this one. No.
Good. Proventriculus?
It's next to the crop.
Next to the gizzard.
I mean gizzard. I'm sorry.
Proventriculus?
Next to the gizzard.
Oh,
Remember
the
that?
Yeah,
tube?
good.
That tube next to the gizzard.
Proventriculus?
You lift the gizzard and
Okay,
it's this.
gizzard?
This.
Small intestine? Oh no, duodenum. Sorry, duodenum.
Duodenum is
It's right next to the gizzard.
Right next to the
No, it's this piece. You're moving it out of the way. Yeah.
This is the one?
Oh no, never mind. Sorry.
No, it's right there.
Next to the
again.
gizzard. Next to the gizzard.
It's right next to the other. It should be
The
right here.
pancreas.
It's with the pancreas in it, right there. Now he has it.
Oh, so the whole
Duodenum.
thing is
The loop is the duodenum.
Oh, the loop is the one.
And then where's the pancreas?
right
Oh, the
there.
pancreas right here.
And then small
Pancreas.
intestine. That's the big one you were pointing to earlier.
Small intestine.
And you've got both there.
Yeah, that's
The fat one is the small intestine.
No, the fat. This is the
That's
small
the skinny one.
This?
Yeah, small intestine. Large intestine
Is this one?
is this
It's
large
next to
intestine is the skinny one.
next to the ceca.
It's right here.
small intestine is this.
No, this is the large intestine.
Yeah, but small one is this one.
Yes.
Okay.
This is large
How
intestine.
about this? Small intestine.
Small. It looks large actually. It looks large. It's reversed. The fat one is the small intestine. The skinny one is large intestine.
Okay.
And it's
The
large
more nutrients
intestine.
pulled out.
The
Okay.
ceca. Where's the ceca?
Ceca is
Right
attached.
here.
Okay. Where's the kidney?
Kidneys are
No.
back here,
No fighting.
right here.
Should be.
Oh, kidney.
These.
Yeah, there you go. And then where's the lung?
Lung.
Lung is right here. That's
You can
one
really
of the
see it on
lungs,
ours.
and
It's
this
right
is the
here.
other lung.
What? Oh, it is. That's
Yeah.
weird. Where's the parietal peritoneum?
Right over
Next to the
It's a
abdomen.
body wall.
Okay, against the body wall. It's the membrane that you had to move
Membrane.
from the kidneys.
Right.
Can you show me the heart
The heart.
The heart,
and the liver?
liver,
And can you show me a contour feather?
contour feather are the ones
Yeah.
you use
Big
for
ones? For flight.
for
Can
flying.
you show me a downy feather?
Oh, sorry.
Downy
soft
should
one.
be easy. It's a soft one.
Are these?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about the ones on the
Yeah.
body? Are those all downy?
Yeah. Can you show me a phyloplume feather? Oh, the way to the top.
I found that one maybe. No. Oh, right there, right there,
Where?
right there.
I don't think so.
This one.
Philippines are really gonna.
It's not big enough. It's too short.
It's not, how about this one? This one. Thin one?
It should be about this long.
Oh, this one.
Oh, the
No.
We found one.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Go over there. Go over
That's
there.
right.
Oh,
Is
that's
it
a
those
great
little
one.
small ones right there?
Nice.
Some see?
Nice. You can't.
Right here,
there's
right
no
here,
way
bro.
you're gonna record it.
Yeah. It's like really thin.
And these two
Sure can.
Yeah.
Put on dissecting.
is a
See,
machine.
do you see them?
Is it?
Right here, bro.
It could be on this.
But I think your skin is gone.
Okay, so we found it. We found the phylloplum. Okay.
They found it over the crop.
Yeah, I found it. We found it.
So we did that. We did that. Can you show me the
This one.
supracoracoideus, please?
Oh, super. It's the muscle that was up here.
Find the muscle.
That's
Is
a
it,
one?
would it be the muscle
closer to the
below?
bone.
Yes.
Muscle below, right?
Where's the
Yeah,
where's the feature took off?
This one. See how this is
find it there.
and the separates it? This is supracorticoides. and
Okay.
This is the pectoralis major.
See that muscle right there?
This?
Yep, right against the bone, right? Supracorticoideus.
Oh, then
Okay.
this is pectoralis?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That was a great separation. I don't know if you did that on purpose. That's fantastic. Where's your pectoralis?
Yeah. So it was like this,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
So this is pectoralis, and then this is supracorticoides.
Awesome. Supracorticoideus.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this one.
Can you show me the cloaca, please?
Cloaca.
Down here.
It should be right.
Okay.
Can you point?
Just to follow it to the end.
Yeah.
Yep.
Should be the hole right here.
Nice. Oh.
No, right here.
That's all right. She's got it. She's onto it.
Where is it?
We're probing the cloaca.
Oh,
sorry.
here.
Probing it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
There.
Can you show me the nostrils, please?
Nostrils. Here.
It's on the
On the
What's the
superior
top?
beak.
Okay, where's the maxillary beak?
Maxillary.
maxillary
Oh,
beak.
okay. Where's the mandibular beak?
Bottom
And
one.
where's the
Tongue.
glottis?
Glottis.
Glottis is, let me see.
This word scares me a little bit.
It's the
Oh,
supposed to
you
have
can really
the-
see it well now.
the little hole right. Glottis.
Yeah, it's this right there.
So it goes over the top
Hold
of
it
the
with your
tongue,
other finger.
and it slides down in.
Yeah, there you go.
Glottis.
Not straight back.
Okay.
Okay.
Over the top of the tongue, it slides in.
So you can pretty much like
Oh,
All right.
the
Yeah.
tongue. Oh, down there.
Then you see the hole right there. See the slit.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Okay, where's the tongue?
Tongue.
Hi.
It's this.
Then the Palatine line.
Wait. Where's the palatine folds?
Right here, up here,
Where's the posterior opening of the air passage?
right here, on the
Find the
top.
hole? Is there a hole
Well,
up there?
it's
Do the palatine folds right.
Yeah.
In between the palatine folds. Well,
What is it?
posterior opening of the air passage. So they breathe the air in through the nostril. It goes through the posterior opening of the air passage into the glottis,
Into the glottis.
And then to the trachea.
and then the trachea, and then the lungs.
Okay.
Can you show me the cerebrum?
She has it.
Cerebrum.
She's not so smart. Let me see your cerebrum too.
Cerebrum.
Yes. Where's your olfactory lobe?
Olfactory lobe.
It's very small. You
Good.
can't really
And can
see
you show me
it.
the optic lobe?
Optic lobe right
On
here.
the side.
On the sides.
Oh, you still have the. Oh, you can kind of see it. And where's your cerebellum?
Right here.
Right here.
What is it in Spanish?
Cerebrum. Cerebrum.
No, cerebellum.
Cerebrum. I don't know that one.
How would you know that is?
No,
It's cerebellum.
Cerebellum.
Oh my
Can you show me the medulla, please?
Down here.
Medulla.
Medulla?
Medulla?
It's down here.
Down here?
It's a
Yeah,
stunt.
that's where it would be. It's the stem. All right. Good job, guys.